Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited because I am unboxing the Singer CP6355M sewing machine, also known as the Singer cosplay machine. This machine designed for heavy fabrics as well as normal everyday sewing. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Wow, see, guys, this machine looks really strong and well built. Let's see what accessories come with the machine. Here we have the foot pedal, power cord, extension table, instruction manual. We get different pressure feet, seam jumper, quilting guide, needles, bobbins, spool caps. Here is the needle area, the pressure foot, and the bobbin area. This machine comes with many built-in stitches. We have basic stitches, decorative stitches, and buttonhole stitches. Once you remove this panel, on the other side of the machine, there is a small switch called the feed dog switch. For normal sewing, the feed dog switch should keep up. We use feed dog switch down for embroidery, quilting and sewing buttons. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.